Welcome back to CS Honors. In this video, we'll be talking about how to do all the stuff with branching that we talked about before, except in GitHub Desktop now. So yeah, as we talked about last time, Git Checkout allows you to check out a new branch and also create new branches. So let's take a look at how that looks in GitHub Desktop. All right, so now that we're back in our environment, let's go and create a new branch so that we can make some changes just like we did before. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to current branch, just hit new branch, and we're going to name this new label. And so now we're automatically on this new branch. Now keep in mind, this is right now just a branch on our local repository. This hasn't gone out to GitHub. As you can see here, it says that we can push it if we want to, or we can just leave it. Since we haven't made any commits, we don't really need to publish the branch yet. So now that we've done that, we can now go add our label. So we'll just do something like fruits. And now that we have our new label, let's go back and let's make a commit, add new label, and we'll leave the description blank and we will commit. And now we can push, or we can now publish it since we now have commits. And once we've done that, it'll be on GitHub. All right, so now that we've created a new branch and made a couple of commits, let's say we want to recombine that branch. So as we talked about before, Git Merge will merge it onto the current branch, and Git Merge is actually part of what's run when you do Git pull behind the scenes. And then be aware that it can cause merge conflicts. So we'll take a look at an example where we won't have a merge conflict first, and then we'll take a look at one with a merge conflict. So if we want to now merge this new label branch back into main, let's say we've made a couple more changes and we're happy with it, what we can do is we can either create a pull request, which is what GitHub generally wants you to do, or you can also go inside your branch selector here, switch to the branch that you want to merge into, and then down here you can select which branch you want to merge from. And once you do that, you can hit create a merge commit, and you'll be done. You'll now have your commit, you can push it back up to origin, and everything will be ready to go. You can also then go in here and delete the old branch, like so. All right, so now that we've done a merge without a conflict, let's go back and do one with a conflict. All right, so in our repository now, we have made a couple of changes. As you can see, we added strawberries to our list, but we're now going to commit on a new branch, which is called remove strawberries, a commit that removes strawberries from the list. And so we're going to now push that up to GitHub. Now, one thing to note is that in between the last time that we created our branch and now, you can see here that strawberries was changed to strawberry smoothies. So now when we try and merge these two, right, strawberries and strawberry smoothies is going to conflict. So what we have to do is deal with the merge conflict. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and do our merge procedure just like before. And you're going to see it will say there will be one conflicted file, and you can still create the merge conflict and open it in VS Code. And just like before, you can make the changes however you want. And so in this case, we are going to accept both changes. And so now we have strawberry smoothies in there, and we also have the fact that we removed strawberries. And once we're good with that, we can then recommit it and hit continue merge. And there we go. We can now push back to origin, and our merge conflict has been solved. So yeah, that has been merge conflicts in GitHub Desktop. So yeah, in this lesson video, we talked about branching and merging using GitHub Desktop, as well as dealing with merge conflicts. So yeah, this was the last video for me with CS Honors this semester, but hopefully you have a great rest of your semester and use Git in the near future.